Add 1 clove to coffee. The 10-minute effect nobody warns you about. What if I told you, adding just 1 tiny clove to your morning coffee could start changing your body in just 10 minutes? Not tomorrow, not next week. 10 minutes. And yet, almost nobody talks about this. If you're over 50, this simple combination could help your digestion, blood sugar, inflammation, and even your brain. But here's the catch, there's a right way to do it, and most people are getting zero benefit without even realizing it. What you're about to learn might completely change the way you drink coffee every morning. Because this tiny spice works at a deeper level inside your body than most people understand. And the effects don't take months, they can begin in minutes. But if you make one small mistake, you could miss all the benefits. So stay with me, because the timing and method matter more than you think. Let's break down exactly what happens inside your body, step by step. Before we go further, comment below your age and where you're watching from. I read every comment, and it helps others see they're not alone on this journey. What happens after you drink it? 10 to 15 minutes. Within minutes, something surprising happens. Coffee contains powerful polyphenols, cloves contain a compound called eugenol. Together, they create a smoother, more balanced stimulation. Instead of jitters, you may feel calm, focused energy. No racing heart. No anxiety spikes. One day. By the end of the first day, your digestion may feel different. Clove acts as a natural carminative, meaning it helps reduce gas, bloating, and heaviness after meals. Many people notice their stomach feels lighter. 3 days. After just a few days, your blood sugar response may begin to stabilize. Clove has been studied for its role in improving insulin sensitivity. That means fewer energy crashes and less sudden hunger. 1 week. 1 week in, you may start noticing less morning stiffness. That tight feeling in your fingers, your knees, your joints, this is where clove's anti-inflammatory power begins to show. 1 month. After a month, your liver may be working more efficiently. Why does that matter? Because your liver controls detoxification. People often report clearer skin, better digestion, and improved energy. 3 months. Stay consistent for a few months, and the benefits go deeper. You may notice better weight control, sharper thinking, more stable energy throughout the day. How to prepare it correctly? This is where most people mess up. There are 2 correct ways. Method 1, the best way, decoction method. Boil 3 whole cloves in about 1 cup of water for 5 minutes. Strain it, then use that water to brew your coffee. Method 2, quick version. Crush 1 clove, drop it into your black coffee, let it sit for 3 minutes. 3 critical mistakes. Mistake 1, throwing whole cloves into coffee without crushing or boiling. You'll get almost zero benefit. Mistake 2, overboiling. More than 5 to 7 minutes destroys the active compound. Mistake 3, adding milk, cream, or sugar. These can block the absorption of beneficial compounds. If you are taking blood thinners like warfarin, stop. Clove contains eugenol, which has mild blood thinning effects. Always check with your doctor first. So tomorrow morning, before you drink your coffee, try adding just 1 clove, the right way. And watch what happens to your body, not in months, but in minutes. Have you ever tried clove in coffee before? Comment clove if you're going to try this tomorrow, or pass if you're sticking to regular coffee. And if you care about your health after 50, make sure you subscribe, because the next video might save you years of damage.